Hi there, my name's Andrew. I'm one of the final year medical students. Could I just confirm your name and date of birth, please?
Sure, it's James, 13th of December 1989.
Great. Today, James, I've been asked to give you an injection. Would that be okay?
That's fine.
This will just involve inserting a small needle just under the skin and injecting a small amount of medication. Have you had any reactions to injections before in the past?
No, I haven't.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Great. We're about to begin. Can you just confirm your name and date of birth again?
Sure, it's James Lower, 13th of December 1989.
And just to confirm, you don't have any allergies at all?
No, I don't.
James, that completes the procedure. Thank you very much.